Guys, we're here in Las Vegas at the 7 Magic Mountains, and I just wanted to do a big thank you and just say thanks for 10,000 subscribers. Starting my channel like 4.5 years ago, actually May 21st, 2017. That date will go down in history for me as the first day I decided to start documenting my journey like Gary Vee tells other people, and it's built me a massive personal brand business that I am so thankful for, being able to teach other people and having them learn and discover ways to build financial freedom for themselves is one of the most fulfilling things, even more than making money, as hard as that is to believe. But this is a very monumentous spot for me as well in my life. I actually got stuck out here about 40 minutes from Las Vegas one day, and luckily someone decided to take me home and drop me off because Ubers weren't picking people up out here that late. You just have to realize when starting a channel, be happy with the small views. Like, I was so excited just to see 1 follower, 1 view, and even though all the work I put in the video is so much, I was doing it for myself. And actually, all the videos I create to teach you guys actually helps me become a better person in the business ventures I'm taking on myself, because I'm reiterating everything that I'm learning and voicing it back to everybody. So I just want to say thanks to everyone that followed this journey this long, or if you're just beginning, there's about 500 videos on the channel and they're going to continue to grow. My goal, at least in the near term, is going to be 20,000, 25,000 subscribers, then 50 and 100,000. So I believe we'll be getting there, and I'm not worried. I'm on this journey as a marathon, not a sprint. So I'm happy, I'm patient, and no matter what it takes, I'm gonna keep bringing you guys the videos. One of the perks of building my YouTube channel and teaching people how to sell on Amazon, how to invest in crypto, is the fact that I get to live my life very free. I can go do crazy things, like get a slingshot and go 110 on the freeway in the middle of nowhere in the Vegas desert. And this thing is just beautiful. But we rented this guy for like 80 bucks on Turo. So if you just learn how to negotiate with suppliers, all the skills pan over to any other part of your life. So you just gotta make business part of your life, and you'll slingshot your way into success. Boom.